Today, I got the top 5 best cases for your iPhone 12 and your 12 Pro. Starting it off, I'm going to show you the 2 Apple cases that came out this year and tell you that this clear one is straight trash. This one, the silicone one, you can actually consider, but that clear one, oh, with the halo and everything, ooh, I hate that one. Now this one has the MagSafe built inside, and when you actually put your iPhone 12 Pro or 12 in this case, what's cool is you can actually magnetize it to a refrigerator, to a car. It does actually work. So the silicone is grippy, but still a little bit slippery in my own opinion. And from what I know, this is the first time I've noticed that the Apple silicone case actually covers the bottom of your phone. Price is a bit high, but it's a decent case. Let's move on. Next case I want to talk about is the case from Magbak. This one has legit strong magnets that are still safe for your phone built into the case. This case's magnets are actually safe enough where I've actually driven away with my phone still stuck to the side of my car about 37 miles per hour, pulled over, freaked out, and realized my phone was still stuck to my car. So the Magbak case, I'm always gonna stand by this one, and it comes with a cool little car mount for your car. Now, if you're a true fan of this channel, you'll know the name Kadabi, because they make my absolute favorite cases in the whole world, and I got 2 of my favorites here today. The Lucid Clear, my personal favorite clear case, because this is actually a hard plastic case. It does not yellow, it's got 360 protection all around, and if you didn't know, clear cases are some of my favorites because I love showing off my iPhone, and this is one of the most scratch resistant ones I've ever used. I love all the perfect cutouts for the buttons. I love that there's a raised lip design to actually protect my cameras, and even on the front of the phone, so important, has that raised lip design, so if I drop my phone on the table, on the floor, whatever, my screen is protected. The next case is my all-time favorite case ever, and it's called the Sheath from Kadabi. This is my opinion, the perfect blend of minimalist, but also protective for your case. Because for the Lucid Clear, in my opinion, it's a little bit more for scratch resistance and protecting the screens. These are for drop protection, and I love these. They have a drop protection rating of over 6 feet. They have such nice grippy texture. Personally, between these 2, the silicone feels a little bit too slippery for me. I love that slight, you can hear it, textured feeling that this Sheath case gives me. And look at the awesome new colors that you guys can check out. If you didn't know, the 12 and the 12 Pro are the exact same size, so any case you get, whichever one you want to pick out, all links in the description below, you can fit on either phone. Same thing as the Lucid Clear, has that camera protection, has the screen protection that goes all around, 360 protection for the bottom of your phone also. Look at those perfect cutouts for your speakers and your charging ports, and even protects your volume rocker as well as your power button also. I also love in general how Kadabi's logos are so minimal and non-obtrusive. Just a little bit of the logo on the side, and it blends right into the color. Apple, not so subtle. Apple's halo ring, super not subtle. Get that out of here, guys. Go with the Kadabi Sheath or Lucid Clear. You guys are gonna love it. Finally, case number 5, last one. It's one I personally found on Amazon. I've used it in the past before. It's from a company called ESR. They make a clear case that's more of like a TPU kind of soft rubber plastic around it. It's got some pretty good corner bumper protection, which is why I've always loved this one in terms of like a more rugged clear case. And it does come with 2 screen protectors that aren't very good screen protectors, but you know, this is another option if you want a clear case but want a more rugged one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Drop a comment below. Let me know what case you're currently rocking on your phone and which case out of all these that you love the most.